Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Reels could not share to WhatsApp try again problem or Instagram Reels share problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click on Reels icon. Click on Share. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Reels could not share to WhatsApp try again problem or Instagram Reels share problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.